Understanding the difference between spontaneous and non-spontaneous chemical reactions can be pretty confusing. So I came up with this little analogy to help you understand. Let's say you have a physics quiz on Monday morning. It's your very first one, so you don't have a lot of notes to go over, but when you look back on your notes, they aren't looking so great. They're very disorganized, your definitions aren't even complete, it's hard to read, and this is because the night before class, you went on a spontaneous all-nighter with your friends. Because of this spontaneous trip and your disorganized notes, your potential grade outlook is not looking good. You'll probably fail this quiz, to be honest. However, if you had decided to be a little bit less spontaneous the day before class and ended up with clearer notes that were complete and organized, maybe had some examples in them, your potential grade outlook is looking pretty good. You'll probably get an A on this quiz. This is because you put in the extra work, and this is an example of a non-spontaneous reaction. So if we look back here, you can see the definitions for spontaneous versus non-spontaneous. So connecting this back to the example, the spontaneous trip, the spontaneous all-nighter that you pulled would result in lots of disorder in your notes, which is high entropy. But it also results in low potential energy. So you can think of this as a low potential grade, like an F, versus the non-spontaneous reaction is like when you decide to just go to bed at a normal time before class and you end up with very low entropy, which is the same as having like ordered notes that are very clean. And you also end up with very high potential energy, which is like having a very high potential grade outlook, like an A+. I hope this helps you understand the difference between spontaneous and non-spontaneous chemical reactions. Thanks for watching.